Good day everyone. Today, we'll be tackling a common algebraic challenge, expanding the cube of a binomial. This might seem daunting at first, but with a simple method, we can master it in no time. This is Pascal's triangle and coefficients. The key to simplifying this process lies in Pascal's triangle. This remarkable pattern provides the coefficients we need for expanding any binomial raised to the power. For the cube, we'll use the third row, 1, 3, 3, 1. This leads us to our handy formula. A plus b cubed equals 1a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus 1b cubed. Notice how the coefficients match Pascal's triangle. The power of a decrease while the power of b increase. Let's try a simple example. X plus y cubed. Using our formula, 1x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus 1y cubed equals x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Now, let's tackle a slightly more complex example. 2x plus 3y cubed. This is the solution. 2x cubed plus 2x squared 3y plus 2x times 3y squared plus 3y cubed equals 8x cubed plus 36x squared y plus 54xy squared plus 27y cubed. What about subtraction? Remember, x minus y cubed can be written as x plus negative y cubed. We apply the formula, carefully handling the negative sign. X cubed plus 3x squared negative y plus 3x negative y squared plus negative y cubed equals x cubed minus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared minus y cubed. And there you have it. By utilizing Pascal's triangle and our formula, expanding the cube of a binomial becomes a manageable and efficient process. Practice with different examples to solidify your understanding. And now, my presentation ends here. Thank you for listening and have a good day. But with a simple method, we can we will be tackling a common algebraic It might This is Pascal's triangle and coefficients. The key to simplify a simple example. X plus y cubed. So, bali ito. Ay, aman gusto. Now, let's tackle a more
Hola, tare hu, rim dim dim dim.
x cubed plus 3x cubed.
Nakakatakot po! Yung heart ko, mawawala na!
Family is love.